Hi, my name is Jonathan Davis, and I run an e-commerce agency called Lined Up here in St Agnes on the north coast of Cornwall. Really looking forward to speaking at Unlocking Potential's upcoming event, How to Buy a Website. At Lined Up, we specialize in e-commerce, and this is the area I'll be talking about on the day. I'll be asking questions such as, how important is e-commerce to your business? We'll look at operational considerations, such as fulfillment and inventory. And we'll even touch upon the dark secret of budget and look at some comparative brands for reference. We'll look at what to choose for when selecting your e-commerce platform provider. And we'll see how important content, good photography, good copywriting can all play a critical part in the success of your project. Most importantly, we'll be on hand to answer any questions you may have on the subject of e-commerce. We want to demystify the whole process and to really demonstrate how simple e-commerce can be to get started. I look forward to seeing you then.